Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install the C100 SD card in Tapo camera. So in order to add the SSD card or the SD card, what you need to do is you need to simply find the SD card slot on the camera's side panel. Holding the card in the correct orientation, carefully insert the SD card into the slot. Push the micro SD card until you hear a clicking sound. You can even see that in the picture where you just have to simply add this SD card into this section, and then you just have to simply wait until you see or hear a clicking sound. After that, if you have the second type of camera, so you just have to simply tilt the camera lens up, revealing the micro SD card slot. Holding the card in the correct orientation, carefully insert the SD card into the slot. Push in the micro SD card until you hear a clicking sound. If you have this type of outdoor security camera, then you just have to simply loosen the screws on the back panel and remove the cover to reveal the micro SD card slot. As you can see that in the picture as well, this is the card slot. So you just have to simply insert the card and wait until you hear the clicking sound. So you just have to simply insert it, and now you can easily manage it with the help of the Tapo mobile application. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.